Hi, I'm Joe Washington, and welcome to IBM TV. Well, we've turned the calendar over to a new year, and this time on IBM TV, we'll help you get ready for some big events that are coming up in 2008. We'll also give you an update on IBM Project Big Green, the IBM program to increase the level of energy efficiency and IT. And then, things get a little wild. See how IBM and Cisco are helping to spread the word about wildlife conservation. Let's go. As we head into 2008, IBM is sponsoring some important events that can help you improve service management, make your organization more flexible and responsive with service-oriented architecture, or SOA, and help your development teams be more productive and deliver higher quality software. On May 18th in Orlando, IBM brings you its first ever global conference dedicated to service management, IBM Pulse 2008. This event will bring together Tivoli, Maximo, and Tivoli Netcool users and business partners to explore the latest trends, technologies, and practices to enable better service management.
You know, at IBM, we really see the evolution of the globally integrated enterprise as being an aspiration that not only we have for ourselves, but for many of our clients. And that's why I'm so excited about IBM Pulse 2008, because for the first time, we'll operate a truly global conference that will allow us to bring the expertise and knowledge, best practices, and practitioners from around the globe to a single venue to share.
Catch the rest of Al Zoller's invite here on IBM TV, and of course use the link from IBM TV to register for the event. IBM Impact 2008 is coming up soon too, on April 6th in Las Vegas. It's the place to be for anybody involved in service-oriented architecture. The event features education sessions on topics such as IBM CICS, WebSphere MQ, WebSphere Application Server, and WebSphere Process Server. And it's never too early to get ready for the IBM Rational Software Development Conference that kicks off on June 1st this year in Orlando. You can register now to get together with today's real-world software delivery heroes. Last year, IBM announced that it's redirecting $1 billion per year across its businesses to increase the level of energy efficiency in IT. It's called IBM Project Big Green, and one of the latest Big Green developments is an energy efficiency certificate program. It's the first program of its kind to help you verify energy conservation and environmental stewardship.
IBM is announcing energy efficiency certificates for our systems, and we are the first in the industry to do so. The reason this is important is because customers aren't just looking to save money associated with green, they're looking to demonstrate that they are in fact green companies themselves to address the social, environmental issues in the marketplace. Energy efficiency certificates give them a certifiable, auditable record to demonstrate reduction in energy usage.
And they can trade certificates or retain them to demonstrate reductions in energy use and associated CO2 emissions. IBM TV is a great place to learn more about IBM Project Big Green. Check out some new podcasts that show you how IBM and Pacific Gas and Electric are developing a new way to measure and reduce heat in data centers. Join Andrew Winston, co-author of Green to Gold: How Smart Companies Use Environmental Strategy to Innovate, Create Value, and Build Competitive Advantage, as he discusses the greening of corporate America. Listen to Bob Cicelli, Program Manager for the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency's Energy Star partnership, and hear how Energy Star is coming to a data center near you soon. You can listen to these podcasts right here on IBM TV. And don't miss a video that shows you how IBM has pioneered a new process to turn discarded silicon wafers into materials for solar panels. The new process was awarded the 2007 Most Valuable Pollution Prevention Award from the National Pollution Prevention Roundtable. IBM is involved with more than conserving energy. Recently, IBM and Cisco helped the Carnivore Preservation Trust spread the word about protecting big cats and other wildlife.
Carnivore Preservation Trust is a wildlife sanctuary for primarily big cats. The other thing we do is provide conservation education. Our goal is to teach people about why these animals are important to them in their native habitats, how that affects you here. 6 months ago, we used old computers that people have donated. We had problems communicating, inefficiency.
IBM and Cisco brought in their equipment this last week. I'm very excited. The message that these guys send about animals in captivity is now going to be able to reach a broader audience. It's easy to write on a website, this is what you should do or this is what you should think, but it's a whole other thing when you actually see this on video. And the increased processing power and storage capability and networking capability we're having with IBM and Cisco is going to enable us to reach our donors, our volunteers, our members better. We'll be able to coordinate that better. So it's going to enable us to connect with our constituents at a much higher efficiency.
IBM and Cisco's technology donation of a high-performance server and networking infrastructure will help the Carnivore Preservation Trust reach more people in more compelling ways about protecting wildlife. Be sure to watch the entire video here on IBM TV. Well, that's all for this show. I'm Joe Washington, and we'll see you next time on IBM TV.